This has to be the fastest and tastiest ice cream recipes I have ever made. No stress, no machines, just a few simple ingredients you probably have in the comfort of your home. And honestly, the fact that it comes together so easily makes it even more better. So if you're craving that classic street style ice cream or you're just looking for a sweet treat, you're in the right place. Just grab your ingredients, sit back, and then let's get started. Thank you. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Very simple and easy, and it's just the way I like it. In a bowl, I'm starting with 3 cups of yogurt. You can use plain or Greek yogurt, or even mix the two. And if you are doing that, I recommend 2 cups of thick Greek yogurt and a cup of regular or more tree yogurt, and it helps balance the texture. The next thing to add will be a cup of condensed milk. Since the yogurt I'm using is unsweetened, we need that sweetness to come through. You can even add more if you prefer or if you want it extra sweet. It's all up to you. And don't forget to scrape out every bit. Now, the next thing to add will be a cup of full cream milk, just enough to loosen it slightly, and a splash of vanilla extract. This part is so important because it gives your ice cream that classic flavor we all know and love. So with the help of my spatula, I'll mix everything together until it's well combined. You can use a hand mixer if you prefer and makes the job even more quicker. This should only take about a minute or two and then you're good. A warm welcome if you're new to the channel. My name is Helen and I share easy and delicious recipes I know you would love, especially if you enjoy baking, because the feedback so far is amazing. So just stick around for more. Now, this is the outcome after mixing. Very nice and creamy. And I'll be transferring it to a bigger cup just to make sure, or just to make it easy to pour it into my ice cream cups. So while pouring, I realized there were some small lumps, so I gave it another good stir. So please make sure to mix yours very well so everything blends beautifully and smoothly, just like you've seen in the video. After that final mix, don't forget to scrape every last bit out, cause no wasting here. Now I'll go ahead and pour the mixture into my ice cream cups. This recipe is honestly so easy to follow and it takes less than 10 minutes to put everything together from start to finish. You can even pour the mixture into small nylon bags, just like we had when growing up. Yeah, I actually wanted to show you that too, but I realized I didn't have any at home, so maybe next time. Once I'm done pouring the mixture, I'll go ahead and add my ice cream sticks. And with the sticks, you can just use this, or the ones that we used in Ghana when growing up. I think it's called sokodia. That one also works too. And to think I ran out of the sticks, so I had to improvise by using some kebab sticks. It works really well as well. So depending on your freezer, you can freeze the ice cream for about 4 to 6 hours. Well, mine is pretty fast, so 4 hours usually does the job. Or you can leave it overnight if you prefer. And you can see me here placing them in the freezer. And after about 3 hours, I came to check us. The kids were really disturbing me to check on it. So I had a quick look and honestly, it wasn't bad at all. The reason why I didn't use the water dip method this time was because it wasn't really or fully set and I didn't want it to melt quickly because I needed to take one last video and picture of it. But just look at that outcome. It was so creamy, smooth, and absolutely delicious. The kids loved every bit of it. Trust me, it wasn't overly sweet. It was moderate, so delicious, and they loved it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you ever give this recipe a try, then please don't forget to leave a comment. You know I love feedbacks, right? It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. I truly appreciate your love, your time, and then your support. And I want you to know that I don't take it for granted. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section, and also don't forget to check out other amazing recipes on the channel. I'm sure you're gonna love them as well. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe, and also follow us on all socials at Upclose with Abena. And I'll see you in my next video with another amazing recipe. Have a blissful week, and bye bye.